So the story goes. You're right. Fuel smells bad. There was a pressure on the pump? Pressure is, it says no pressure. Your pump pressure says 0. Yeah, we'll fuck out and stick it in. Fuck, I'm a bit rough on the gear, mate.
Yeah, Billy, what did you think about my driving antics?
I think you're a fucking mad cunt.
Your driving impressed us. We had a good discussion about that. We didn't know what to expect, and we should know you've got rotors in Aussie, but we haven't driven with you before. You've always driven with us. But that was sick.
Because I felt like you guys didn't trust me, or that I was I
didn't trust you.
Van. I felt like
you've never driven. You're always fine.
Yeah. We didn't know what to expect. So you're gonna be a pussy driver.
No, I don't know if you put me in there.
You'd be surprised. Alright, Ash, fucking see you later, buddy. Thanks for everything, eh? And
we did the big sign off.
Yeah, but I'm just fucking done my one now, and I'm just saying see you later. Fucking see you later.
You guys are the best, man.
Thanks, bro.
Memories for life. I want to go to PR with you guys. We want to do the States, Aussie. Yeah, bro.
We've been smashing it.
Up. Yeah.
We've got it going on.
See you, boys.
Ash, thanks heaps for.
Would you believe it? Fuck you, Ash.
It's alright, it's alright. Be safe, it's alright. Oh, fuck. Bro, are you gonna roll start down here again? That would be so sick if you did.
What's going on here?
It needed flood. It did not like the traffic, bro.
No, of course it didn't.
We're actually lucky. We're actually lucky it was fucking not real shit ass traffic.
Look at
Yeah, you can put it in to get out. Arrow up, yeah. Fuck, it's got the rego on it. If it gives it back, keep it. No, it's
Yo, and today is the day that we have lost the misfire. We've shipped him off, he's had enough. He's done well though, we got to Wellington, so we did the whole 2,000 something kilometres. But he had to go home due to family things and shit. But we're proud of him, he made it that far at least. But we're still at home, we've still got to come to see the rest of you. We're on our way to Masterton to the drag strip. Anyone around this area wants to come down, come on down. We'll be there in about an hour and a half, if that. But yeah, so it's only the Serrator and Charlie tour now. Yeah! But that's what's happening with us. We went to Coles last night. Cole worked his ass off to get his car going for us. We took it for a bit of a spin. The fucking thing is an animal. He's an animal. Love it, love his work. So that was cool. That was actually a bit of a highlight for me. I want to see that car, I want to be in that car. Yeah man, Cole's the coolest dude. But here we come, Masterton, we'll be there soon. And then maybe we're going to head towards Okuni tonight maybe, is the plan. Might go to the Mardi Gras, put a dance up, see how we go. That's what we're doing, that's where we're at. We've done north to south, we've done north, west, south. When they come up through the middle, we're going to probably miss Gisborne. Hence the weather. Sorry boys, but we're still going to try and get out to Whakatane if we can. On Monday-ish, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we're going to hang out around Rotorua, Tauranga ways. I think Tauranga on Thursday we're going to stay with one of the pros, and he's got a bit of an event going on with the Rotorua boys and the Tauranga boys. Still haven't heard back from Hayden, but he's obviously going to put something on with his crew. But yeah, it's just hard to get things going when we're on the phone on the road all the time. But that's what we're trying to think about doing. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go there. We're going to see us. If you see us yell out and scream out, things are good. The van's still going. It's not overheating anymore. We've still got oil pressure.